Hello, and welcome to the Internet Code video series. These videos were developed to provide an overview of Internet services. They are intended for customers that are deaf, deaf-blind, or hard of hearing. All videos have captions and voiceovers. This set of videos covers terminology commonly used by Internet Service Providers or ISPs in Canada. The definitions in these videos are intended as simple explanations of how Internet service works. They do not replace definitions used in CRTC decisions or ISP contracts or written policies, as may be amended from time to time. Let's begin. Video 1 will cover getting started, contracts, and billing. As you seek to acquire Internet services, there will be key terms that are important to know. Internet services. Internet services refer to all retail fixed Internet access services, including cable, fiber, digital subscriber line (DSL), fixed wireless, and satellite services. Fixed Internet access services do not include mobile wireless data services. Account number. An account number is a unique number that is assigned to a customer's account with their Internet service provider or ISP. An account number may also be used to identify a customer when they access their services online, in-store, or via phone. Customer. A customer is an individual that enters into an agreement with a service provider for Internet services. A customer can be an account holder or authorized user, although the permissions of each may be different and may vary by service provider. For example, only account holders and authorized users may consent to additional charges. A customer may also be referred to as a subscriber. Account holder. An account holder is a person who is financially responsible for payments for services under a contract. They are responsible for all aspects of the account. For example, account holders have their name on the bill and are responsible for paying it. Authorized user, authorized other, sub-account holder. The account holder may designate another person as an authorized user by contacting their service provider. An authorized user is an individual who is trusted by the account holder and has been authorized to make decisions on behalf of the account holder. Their rights may vary by service provider. For example, an authorized user could be a friend, parent, or spouse of the account holder. An authorized user may also be referred to as an authorized other or sub-account holder. Contracts. Service options, prepaid or postpaid. Customers can be billed in one of two ways: in advance of the services being delivered or at the end of a billing cycle. Some ISPs offer prepaid services. In this situation, customers are billed in advance for the services they are planning to use. In most cases, ISPs will bill a customer at the end of their billing cycle. This may be referred to as postpaid services. This bill will identify monthly recurring charges for the next month, as well as any additional non-recurring charges that have been accumulated over the previous month. Commitment period, effective expiry date. The commitment period of a contract will depend on whether a customer has a fixed term or month-to-month contract. For fixed term contracts, the commitment period is the entire duration of the contract. For month-to-month contracts, the commitment period is the current month or billing cycle. Fixed term contract. A fixed term contract is a contract between an ISP and a customer that has a set duration. Month-to-month contract, indeterminate, no term. A month-to-month contract is a binding agreement between an ISP and a customer that does not have a set duration. Month-to-month contracts automatically renew each month. This is also known as an indeterminate contract or no-term contract. Credit check. A credit check may be performed by an ISP to establish if a potential customer is creditworthy. It typically determines whether a customer will be required to meet a condition of service in order to get internet services. Conditions of service may include deposit, pre-authorized payment, or personal guarantee. Credit profile. A credit profile includes the specific information that is used to access the customer's personal credit score. Examples of this information may include a customer's name, date of birth, and personal identification numbers such as SIN or driver's license. Security deposit. Where a customer's ability to fulfill their financial obligation is not certain based on their credit score, a security deposit may be required. A security deposit is a sum of money that is provided by a customer in advance and then held by the ISP for a predetermined period of time. If the money is not applied toward outstanding debt on their account, it is returned to the customer. Trial period. A trial period is available to new customers for contracts that are subject to an early cancellation fee and allows for a period of time during which they can try their internet service to ensure it meets their needs. If a customer self-identifies as a person with a disability, the service provider must offer an extended trial period lasting a minimum of 30 calendar days to enable the customer to determine whether the service meets their needs. During the trial period, customers may cancel their contract without penalty or early cancellation fees if they meet certain conditions identified by their internet service provider. Unlimited plan. An unlimited plan is a plan that provides customers with an unlimited use of internet service for a fixed monthly price. Unlimited plans may be available on either fixed-term contracts or month-to-month contracts. Such plans can also be referred to as endless or infinite or unlimited usage. Unlimited plans are usually subject to an acceptable use or fair use policy and may have other restrictions. Optional services, add-on services. Optional services are services that a customer may add to their internet service plan, usually for an additional charge, which may include data add-ons, security services, parental control services, and extended warranties. Optional services may also be referred to as add-on services. Bundle. A bundle is when an ISP groups additional products together with internet service. For example, internet, home phone, and television subscription could be packaged and sold together for a single price, or a discount may be available when subscribing to multiple products from the same service provider. Changes or removal of one of the services may affect the prices or characteristics of the remaining services.